Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix KB5055528 Windows latest update not installing or failed to install on Windows 11. If you are also facing such type of issue, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup in your system. Select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist, and click on OK, and this cleanup wizard for C drive open. Here make the check against all these options: recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, downloaded caches, temporary internet files. Make the check against all these options and click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files and let the disk clean up your system, and after that check whether your Windows update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to system settings. Here scroll down and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters, and here run Windows update troubleshoot. Click on run and follow on screen instruction to complete the Windows update troubleshooting in your system. And after that check whether your Windows update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on screen. These three DISM tool one by one: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows to scan your computer health, to check your computer health, and to restore your computer health. And after that, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your Windows update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose run. Here in run dialog box, type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Click on OK. Services windows will now open. Here you will have to start or restart Windows update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer service, bits service. Right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart it, and thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. The second services is scroll down and look for cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it and first choose start, otherwise restart. Thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. The third services is scroll down and go to W alphabet and look for Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart, and apply a double click on it to open its properties, but you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows update services. Same process, right click on it, choose start, otherwise restart Windows update services, and apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows updating installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute the these Windows Update components one by one, followed by enter key on each time. First, execute these 4 commands one by one to stop these 4 services. And in command prompt windows, don't forget to press enter on each time. And after that, execute these other Windows Update components in your Windows command prompt windows. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. And after that, all these commands one by one execute in command prompt windows, and after that execute these 4 commands to start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and thereafter close the windows, restart your system. Check whether Windows latest update in installing or not. If not, manually download and install Windows latest update. To do so, open your Chrome browser, and here in search field type Microsoft Update Catalog. In Google search field, type Microsoft Update Catalog and press enter, and choose first appeared result, Microsoft Update Catalog. Open it. Here in search field, type the desired KV update which you want to download and install it in your system, KB5055528, and click on search. All its related Windows update for 22H2, 24H2 is available here. Basically, it is a 22H2 and 23H2 update. Click on download button against each and follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and installation process.